Hey guys, it's Rob from CoreView here, and today I want to show you a little bit of the magic of our brand new AI wingman for busy Microsoft 365 teams. It's called Corey, and I want to run a little test with you. Let's see how Corey can help us clean up a cluttered tenant. Maybe you're preparing to consolidate two tenants, you want to clean one of them up before you do it. Maybe you're just trying to stay on top of the huge complex environment of 365 and keep things clean. Let's see how Corey can help. First, we need to jump into the CoreView interface. And once we're in, we're going to go up to the top here and click Ask Corey. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, hi Corey, can you show me unused users in this tenant? Now this is a big test tenant, so it might just take a second for Corey to boot up because we're talking tens of thousands of users. You can see here it's doing a little search and it's going to be searching tenant-wide, but if you want to, you can assign Corey to a virtual tenant which only has access to a few users, maybe a mailbox, a device, whatever it is you want, and Corey will only be able to operate in that distinct area, search in there, act in there. So you can have confidence it's not going to run through your whole tenant. So you can see here, Corey has found over 18,000 unused users. Thankfully, it's not showing us all of them. It's showing us just 10. So I can then write, thanks, Corey. Can you please deprovision them from the tenant? So Corey isn't just about reporting. It's also able to take action. And in this case, I can see the problem, but I can ask Corey to fix it as well. You can see it's working through this. So there we go. A whole bunch of stuff is popping up here. Planned action if you approve. This is also very important. Corey is designed to keep you in the loop. It's here as your wingman. It's here to help you. It's not here to automatically run off and do 1,000 things. So you can confine it to a virtual tenant, and then you can make sure it asks you for approval. And I'm going to say, yes, please proceed. So Corey's now thinking and running ahead with this use case. Whilst it's thinking, you can also use Corey to search for many different unused things in your tenant. For example, we could go on to search for unused distribution groups. We could search for unused teams. We could search for unused all sorts of things. And you can see here it's talking about licenses. Yes, Corey can also show you unused licenses. So it's saying here, you've approved blocking sign-in. I'll now submit a sign block action for the 10 users. Shared here, action. Status, this bulk edit has been successfully submitted and should be reflected shortly, though it may take a bit of time to propagate across all services. So now it's saying if you want to continue with the deprovisioning, we could remove licenses, move to the next batch. Where do you want to go next? I wonder what sort of things you would like to ask Corey. You might be surprised how many use cases it can cover. If you're interested in Corey and you want to find out more, please head to coreview.com where there's lots of information about it, and I hope you found this helpful.